Good morning students. In the previous class we discussed computer codes. In that first one BCD, binary coded decimal, that is 6-bit BCD code we discussed. Now X3 code, computer codes. So in the BCD we took 4 bits for character and 2 bits for zone bit. Here X3 code, X3 code. See here X3 code, how to code the number or how to code a character in X3 code. It is a coding system in which first we have to write 4-bit binary number or 4-bit binary code of each digit, and we have to add binary 3 to each digit. That gives the X3 code. For example, first one 24 base 10. Then how to write X3 code for 24? 2, 4. How to write 4 in 4 bits? 0, 1, 0, 0 and 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we have to add 3 to the LSB from LSB of each digit. How to write 3 in binary? 00, 11, 00, 11, 00, 11. Now according to binary addition, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Now 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0. So together we have to write the answer 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, triple 1. It is not a binary conversion, it is a excess code system, excess code of 24. Actually, what is the binary equivalent of 24? 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 gives 24, no? 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0 is the binary conversion of 24, and 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 is the X3 code of 24. I hope you understood what is X3 code. Now let us write the explanation. It is a coding system. It is a coding system in which each digit, for each digit of a given number is added with binary 3, binary representation of 3. This gives X3 code. Then it gives X3 code. Example 141 base 10. Now 1, 4, 1. How to write 1 in 4-bit binary? 000, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to add 3. See here, according to the rule, it is a system, coding system in which each digit of a number is added with binary representation of 3, isn't it? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. Now 1 1 1 0, 0 1 0 1 1 0. So this is the XS3 code of 141. Finally the answer is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. You should not write base 2. It is not a binary conversion. I repeat, it's not a binary conversion. It is a XS3 code. Next coding system. EBCDIC code, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange. Binary Coded Decimal Interchange. Now you all know BCD, how to write the BCD code for given number. So that is 6-bit coding system, so that we can represent how many possible groups we can make using 6 bits. 2 to the power of 6, what is the value? 2 4 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32, then 64. We can do 64 groups there, possible groups or possible coding. Here 2 to the power of 8, then 128 into 2, 256, no? So we will make a group of, we'll make group 256 possible groups can be done using this coding system. 2 to the power of 8, we are going to do 8-bit coding system here. There we used 2 zone bits and 4 character bits. Here 4 zone bits and 4 character bits. You can compare with the BCD. See here. First you need to remember this table. First I will write alphabets, character, zone bit and digit. Binary digit. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 9 characters I taken. To remember easily, we shall make group of 9 characters. Now, zone bit starts from 12. How to write 12 in 4-bit? 8, 4, 1, 1, 0, 0. Zone bit is common for these 9 characters. 1, 1, 0, 0. Next, digit, you have to start from 1. How we started for BCD code? Same method. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, sorry, 8 no, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, next 9 characters. Character, zone bit and digit. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Now, Zone bit now 13, 8421, 1101, 1101, 1101, 1101. Now again start from 1, 0001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, remaining 8 bits, 8 characters here. CH, zone bit and digit. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now zone bit 14, 8421, now digit again start from 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for digits, here I can write extended E, B, C, D, I, C. Digits, zone bit, and this is extended binary coded decimal interchange. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Zone bit 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. So this table you need to remember for extended binary coded decimal interchange conversion. So it is easy to remember. First you have to write alphabets. 9 alpha. You have to make a group of 9 characters. For first 9 characters, zone bit is 12, and the code is starts from 1 and up to 9. Here also zone bit will be changed. Here 12 and it is 13. Now this is 1. Again start from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here zone bit 14. Again start from 1 to 9. Here 8 because 8 characters are there. And for digits, zone bit is 15. You need to start from 1 and end it to 10. Now let us consider example. I'll erase this. Example SSLC. How to write in extended binary coded decimal interchange? For yes, what is the extended BCD code? 11100001. Here also 11100001. L 11010011. C 11000011. At last you have to write all together. 11100001. 11100001. Now 11010011. 11000011. So this is the extended binary coded decimal interchange code for SSLC. Next, for your syllabus they have given only uppercase characters. We have a 256 possible groups. For non-printable characters, control key, for all these keys there is a there is a particular code, but for your syllabus, alphabets, capital letter and digits. Next, PUC. P 11010111. U 11100011. C 11000011. Now 11010111. 11100011. 11000011. You should not write base 2. I hope you understood extended binary coded decimal interchange. Next coding system is ASCII code. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. In ASCII code there are two methods. One is ASCII 7, another one ASCII 8. Now ASCII value, first we need to remember ASCII values of characters, uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet and digits. See, I'll start from uppercase. ASCII 7. So this ASCII 7 is a binary conversion. Actually, every character on the keyboard has its own ASCII value, that is a decimal number system. For example, capital A ASCII value is 65. You need to remember this value. Capital B 66. So it is incremented by 1 up to capital Z. Now small a 97, small b 98, like this it's gone, and digits 47, sorry 48, digit starts from 48. Now let us write the ASCII value of each character. That ASCII value is decimal number system. Now how to write ASCII 7 code for given character? First you need to convert into hexadecimal, then that hexadecimal number is written in a ASCII 7-bit binary code. For example, first I will start from uppercase alphabets, character, then ASCII value, that is a decimal value, A, B, C, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, X, Y, Z. Now digits, ASCII decimal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Now 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. '83, '84, '85, '86, '87, '88, '89, '90. Now, let us consider example. Add. How to write in ASCII 7 code? First, we shall write ASCII code of capital A, decimal number system, that is 65, D 68, and one more D is there, 68. So these are all decimal number system. This ASCII code is in a decimal form. Now we have to convert into hexadecimal in order to write ASCII 7 binary code. ASCII 7 code alli baribekandre first idanna hexa ge convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to convert a decimal number system into hexadecimal number system? 65 divided by 16. 16 fours are remainder 1, then 41 base 16, and D 68 divided by 16, remainder is 4, 44 base 16. Now for capital A 41 base 16, and for D 44 base 16, one more D 44 base 16. Now we have to write these hexadecimal number into 7-bit binary code. How to write one in 4-bit? Zero, 0, 0, 1, and 4 1 0 0, sorry, 3 bit, this is first 3 bits, next 4 bit, 0 1 0 0. So this is ASCII 7 conversion, ASCII 7 conversion of A, and D 44 no, 0 1 0 0, then 4 1 0 0, here 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. In this way we have to convert the given word or given character into ASCII 7. In ASCII 8, each digit we have to write, for each digit we must write a 4-bit binary. Here 7 bit, one for first bit, this first digit 3 bits and second digit 4 bit, whereas in ASCII 8 both digits, for both digits we have to write 4-bit binary. Next example, 21 in ASCII code. What is the ASCII code of 2? 50 base 10 and 149 base 10. Now we shall convert 50 into hexadecimal. How to convert 50 into hexadecimal number system? 16 3s are, remainder is 2. Next, so 32 base 16, here 49 is there, 49 divided by 16, remainder is 1, 31 base 16. Now let us write ASCII 8 code for this number. 32, what is the 4-bit binary of 3? 0 0 1 1 and 2 0 0 1 0. Then 31 0 0 1 1 and 0 0 0 1. So this is ASCII 8-bit binary code. I hope you understood what is computer codes and what are the different coding systems: BCD code, XS3 code, and extended binary coded decimal interchange, and ASCII code. In the two methods, ASCII 7 code and ASCII 8 code. First you need to remember this table. It's very simple, easy to remember. Capital, you need to remember only capital A, it is 65, then you have to add 1 1 for each character, and small a, I did not write a lowercase alphabets here. Small a starts from 97 and keep on adding 1 so that you will get numbers. When you want to write ASCII 7 binary code, then you have to convert the given ASCII code, that is decimal number, into hexadecimal. Then that hexadecimal number, for each digit of that hexadecimal number you have to write ASCII 7 code or 7-bit binary, and if it is 8-bit you have to write 8-bit binary codes. Let us discuss some problem statements on this chapter. Write a note on decimal number system. First question. Write a note on decimal. This explanation, you can write the explanation. I'll give example. 141.62 base 10. So you have to show the positional value of each digit here. 1 into 10 plus 4 into 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 6 into 10 plus 2 into 10. See, before decimal point, you have to start from 0. So 1, 0, 1, 2. Here minus 1, minus 2. Then 100. Plus 40 plus 1 plus 6 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100. 141 point. So finally you can write that 0.7 and 0.06. 0.7 plus 0.06. Sorry, 62 no? 76, I'll take 76 here. Then 141.76 base 10. So in this way you have to write the explanation about decimal number system, and you have to write the expansion form of given example. Next, binary number system. Write a note on binary number system. So it is also a positional number system. It contains two different digits, that is 0 and 1, base is 2. Example, second question, binary number system. 11101, or I'll write only 3 bits. 0, 1, base 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. 0, here start from 0, 1, 2. 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2. Here 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 4, 0.25. So we are writing conversion. Here you can write. So how to write a number and what is the positional weight, that you need to write here. Next, write a note on ASCII code. So we discussed just now ASCII code, ASCII coding system. There is a standard coding format for each and every character on the keyboard, printable, non-printable, digits and control keys, different functional keys. For every keys on the keyboard there is a ASCII code, and those ASCII codes in the form of decimal number system. In ASCII there are two methods to represent ASCII code. One is ASCII 7 and ASCII 8. In ASCII 7 we are writing 7-bit binary code. In ASCII 8, 8-bit binary code. To write that, first we have to convert decimal into hexa, then that hexadecimal, each digit is represented in a binary code. So I hope you understood, I explained before ASCII code. You need to write the table. I wrote only alphabet capital letter and digits, and you need to write small letter ABCD also. Small a, its ASCII value is 97. Next, What is 2's complement? Give an example. So 2's complement, it is a method of representing a negative integers. It is one of the methods of representing negative integers. And how to obtain 2's complement of a given number? How? First we have to take 1's complement and we have to add 1 to the least significant of that 1's complemented result. Then we get 2's complement of a number, and you have to give an example for this. I hope you understood today's class. In the next class I'll come up with some more problems. Thank you.